There you go, a little bit more. So when you're up, you go up, and if you push it down nice and easy, you go down. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. That's helicopter 81, Quebec, Lake depart northbound from Papa. Yeah, we got it, we're on a go from Papa. And we're just gonna push forward just a little bit, just to start moving. There we go, just like that. Hold that right there, perfect. So we're already done with the collective over there. There you go. And it's all right here. It's all from now on right here in the stick. This area here is, this is all still Boca, and that's Highland Beach. You can see all the canals here, all the waterways.
Yeah.
Everybody's got that water access here. That's Atlantic Avenue, if you're familiar where the Marriott is.
Sure.
That's my house right there on the left.
Uh-huh.
This here is the Boynton Beach Inlet. This side here is Manalapn. You can see some really nice homes here. This guy has his own private little golf course.
Oh, wow.
That's his house. The 2 guest houses. This is all one property. Another guest house in the back. This house is pretty cool. It has a pool in the front, pool in the back. It's got a little pond in front. This hotel coming up here is the Palm Beach Ritz-Carlton, or now
Not
it's called
anymore.
the O. Well, the O now. This is a town of Hypoluxo on the right. Manalapn Highland on the left. How you doing back there? Enjoying the view? Enjoying the ride?
Yes, good.
All right. Delray Beach again, Atlantic Avenue.
At the tennis stadium?
Yep, tennis stadium, tennis center. What do you think?
Great.